Hola, friends! Please join us as we explore our preferred pronouns. We, us, and our. We prefer to be inclusive and alongside of our friends.
We, Argen and Tina, we, us, and all of our new friends, and we, tango dancers in general, are all working to learn and grow and improve our tango.
We respect personal pronouns, identity, and role preferences. Today, and even all the way back to tango's origins, anyone, regardless of gender identity or sexual orientation, can dance either or both roles.
Leading and following, they actually use the same fundamental movements. And by exploring those movements from both sides of the embrace, we gain two benefits. One, we have more creative elements that we can add to our dance. And then two, we understand that lead-follow cycle where we may lead a movement, our partner responds to that movement, and then we follow their response, and the cycle continues again.
Now, there's no requirement to dance both roles when you go out socially or to the milonga, but after this course, practicing both sides of it, you will be able to, should you choose to. And we look forward to seeing us on the next exploration. Click that button, and until then, abrazos!
Abrazos.